In this tutorial, I will show you how to turn Clipart into coloring pages using Canva. First, open Canva in your browser and log into your account. If you do not have an account yet, you can create one for free and start designing right away. Once you are on the Canva homepage, click Create a Design and choose Custom Size or a simple page format such as a document or presentation. After the canvas opens, go to the Elements section on the left side. In the search bar, type Clipart and browse through the available graphics. Choose a Clipart image you want to convert into a coloring page and add it to your canvas. Next, select the Clipart image and click Edit Image at the top of the screen. In the editing panel, adjust the image settings to remove the colors. Reduce the saturation to 0 so the image becomes black and white. Then, increase the contrast to make the outlines darker and clearer. This helps create bold lines that are suitable for coloring. You can continue adjusting brightness and contrast until the Clipart looks like a clean outline drawing. If you want to create a full coloring page, add more Clipart elements and repeat the same editing process. Arrange the images on the page so they look balanced and leave enough space for coloring. When your coloring page design is ready, click Share and then Download. Choose PDF print or PNG to save the page for printing or sharing.